Hey cuties, it's your girl Cave Cutie with another video.
I hate this channel.
No! No!
Video today, I'm going to show you how I make my famous strawberry smoothie with orange juice. It's the bomb. You guys gonna love it, so try this recipe out. I'm just telling you right now, it's gonna taste super good.
It's so good, make you wanna slap your mama. Don't it, Willie? Yeah, boy. Hey, mama. What the hell you want?
So it's gonna be like kind of like a little healthy smoothie, because I've been craving a lot of smoothies, and so has my family. So I'm like, kill two birds with one stone, make a smoothie and a video. Okay, try that. So I'm gonna be making my famous strawberry orange smoothie. So let's get into the video. Oh, before I go, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below part of the video, or give me some recipe tips, ideas that you guys wanted me to try, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a video. And let's get started. Okay, cuties, the ingredients you're gonna need is orange juice, great value orange juice that can keep frozen, because this is the key part to make my success of strawberry orange smoothie. So keep up orange juice. You're gonna need some raspberries, strawberries, look how yummy and juicy those are. You're gonna need some blueberries, which these blueberries are from our garden. The rest of these fruits are from the store, but these berries grow from our garden. Sooner or later, we're gonna start growing ourselves some nectarines. Well, we got ourselves strawberries, but right now they're growing, but they're still like not have their color yet. So got strawberries from the store, raspberries from the store. Sooner or later, we're gonna plant those. Got some nectarines and ice. And this is gonna be really different for me because I haven't tried this before. Is that you can use this like little blender cup that you can also like take out as a travel on with you, and you just blend it inside the blender. Like, how cool is that? I didn't know you can do that. So now we're gonna try it and use the recipe from this. So this is gonna be my first time doing this with you guys. So if this is your first, it's gonna be all of our first. So I'm trying with you guys. So first you're gonna do is take this and start throwing in some of your fruits. Like I'm gonna throw in my raspberries. One thing I don't like about this raspberries, because they're gonna stain my fingers after this. Then you're gonna take in your blueberries. I'm gonna toss the blueberries in. Then I'm gonna toss in some nectarines. This is like the recipe is enough for to make for 2 people. Okay, and then that's enough nectarines. I kind of put too much, but that's okay. Then I'm gonna toss in strawberries. So I'm gonna set you guys down. So all I do for this part is I pull this part, and I kind of dig in it, and boom. And then you just pull them apart. Boom, easy peasy. And just drop it in there. I think that is good, as you can see. Yeah, we got watermelon, but that's for a later smoothie day. Now I'm gonna take the orange juice and pour it in here. So let me do this real quick. Be right back. Okay, cuties, I'm back and I have this out. It's still frozen a little bit, but we just need half of the juice. So half of the juice is unfrozen. So you're gonna just dump that in here. And also cuties, here's another quick tip for you guys. If you have like frozen strawberries before doing all this, like take like a whole bag and then put like enough strawberries or fruits, whatever you want, in a bag and have it for the next day. Have them prepped so you can have like smoothies every single day if you want. So all you gotta do is just take the berries or whatever fruit you want to be in the blender or make for a smoothie, put them in the bag, freeze them, and when you're ready to go to make a smoothie, you don't need no ice to make the smoothie. All you just need is your fruits, the juice, and then blend them. Boom, get your ready ice smoothie ready. So that's a good tip for you guys. So now I'm gonna take the ice and I'm gonna drop them in here. think that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get this on here, so be right back. Okay, cuties, I am back. So I have the juice already in here. Inside, I have connected it, so it took me a bit to do it. So now we're gonna turn it on, and then we're going to press smooth. I didn't press. Look at that. So good. Ready for the grand reveal. Twist this off. Drop this over there. Oh, look at that. That looks good. That looks thick and good consistency I want. Because I don't like ice smoothies. I like smoothies. Look at that, guys. That looks so yummy. Now, on to give it to my mom because I know she wants a smoothie real bad. Why would you... Yo, hoodie.
I always wear a hoodie in the videos though.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Next video, I won't be wearing a hoodie.
Nah, keep your hoodie. That's your signature, so we know it's you.
I've already tried it.
Well, state your name. Judge number 1, because you're number 1 this time.
I'm always number 1.
You're number 2.
Video. Abby or AB, whatever you want to call me.
I call you Abby.
Trying KP's smoothie. It's good. It tastes like strawberries and blueberries and whatever else you put in it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! She likes it.
My nail came off.
Use lie.
Well, my nail didn't come off, but the part where it had the gray on it.
Oh. I guess that tangy flavor. That's the orange you've been here tasting. There's orange. Well, success, guys. Judge number 2 is not really here because he didn't want some of the juice. Well, he wants some, but right now he's not thirsty. And judge number 3, I can't get his reaction. He's everywhere right now. But so far, I know they would love this, so I like it. So there's definitely one for the books, guys, so try it out. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you like, and hit that little bell to be notified when I post videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
This is what I deal with.